So I'm Liam Reddy, and I'm going to help you unjam your FlashForge Adventure 5M. When your 3D printer stops working like this and gets jammed, there's multiple videos online that show all of these complex ways to unjam it. But today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way when it's not printing, but it's still you'll want to stop your 3D print first. First, you want to go to this icon and choose what you're using and then press load. This is going to extrude whatever material you're using out of the extruder. If nothing comes out, this means it's jammed. But if something comes out, it means it's not jammed anymore. You will want to turn off your 3D printer. Next, you want to pull this off, revealing your filament. You now want these that came with your 3D printer and cut to the shortest length possible. Make sure your nozzle is cooled for this next part. Now, you want to remove the nozzle, which just will be pressing these two together and pulling this out. This will require 2 hands. For your next part, you're going to take your nozzle, take the same tools, and cut it at this point. The next step is reattach the nozzle. You will now turn back on your 3D printer. You will now either need filament loaded in or this tool that comes with your 3D printer. Next, I want to press this button once again, and you're going to go loading filament. You're going to pick which type it is, and then you're going to press start. Next, when your 3D printer is ready, you're going to either stick your filament or this tool inside and push hard. Be looking for filament coming down. But what if nothing comes out? Now this part is still a bit more experimental. You'll start up your machine once again. You're going to take this tool and put it down in. Try using force, and then you're going to try to swap it out with this before your tool goes all the way to the bottom. Now you'll see your tool will start to go down and it'll start to extrude down here. Now at this point, you want to try to pull it out or turn off the machine before this happens. You now want to pull your tool out when your machine is not turned off. If you try pulling out your tool that's still stuck, you want to turn on your 3D printer and repeat this process again. You don't want this to go too far down, or else it's going to make a loud sound and start to ruin your tool and have the metal go down. And this will break your 3D printer. Replacements for these are about $100. You're now going to pull out your tool. It may have some 3D printed stuff on it, but the filament did in fact come out. Your 3D printer is fixed. After this, you want to turn on your 3D printer once again. Take your filament, load it in. You're going to want to press hard because it removed all the filament that was jammed inside, and it'll restart your 3D printer. Now the filament is loaded into the machine. Be on the lookout for the filament coming out the nozzle. This all doesn't work and your 3D printer will not print. You will need to watch one of those other videos where you have to take apart, you need to take apart this. And if that still doesn't work, you may have to get a replacement. Make sure to like and subscribe for more on 3D printing